I'm Lulaine Pasumbal, mother of Zendrick Pasumbal, and we are from Batangas, Alitagtag, Batangas. He is my eldest son and he's a top one. I'm a proud mom of Zendrick. When I first found out, I feel so happy and na-fulfilled mo yung isang bagay na masayang-masaya ka kasi parehong sa anak mo. Honestly, talagang naiyak pa ako hanggang ngayon until now. Terrified pa ako kasi kita ko yung kung paano niya pinaghandaan yung exam and then kung paano rin yung family and friends ko nag-support by means of prayers. So the first thing that time is talagang thank you Lord. This is an answered prayer. I believe that my son made the right choice for choosing Jersey. Ikinomed niya talaga sa akin na naalagaan. Tipong mga difficult questions na mga mahirap para sa kanya, dun niya na natutunan or dun niya napaglaban. So nandun siya, nagkaroon siya ng aim to get the top. Kasi malaking support yung center, bukod pa rin yung sa study habit niya. Pero siyempre, yung materials mo, kung saan ka kukuha, kung ano yung pag-aaral mo, malaking factor yun. I would recommend Jersey especially for civil engineering examination review because Jersey is one of the best, if not the best, still in the top. For all the parents or the guardian, tiwala lang po tayo sa ating mga anak. Ang isang tip lang po to support them during their journey sa review. Ilas po natin yung pressure sa kanila. As much as possible, ihiwalay muna natin kung mayroong problem sa family. Ito naman ay ipaubaya muna natin sa kanila itong season na to. Then, give them full support. Alam ko medyo mahirap, lalo na pag mga financially ang pag-uusapan natin. Pero ito lang naman po yung konting panahon lang naman to para masuportan. And then, of course, sasamatin ng prayers. Yun po yung pinaka-the best sa lahat.